In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin using PayPal. So we're starting right on the homepage of the PayPal app, and you can see the home icon in the bottom left corner. At the top of the screen, you'll see your PayPal balance, and when you swipe over, you should see the crypto section. If you don't see it there, just tap the three stacked lines on the top left side of the screen to open the menu. Under the Manage Finances section, you'll find crypto, so go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the main crypto page, where you can see what you currently hold on your account. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see the section labeled Your Crypto, and this is where all your available coins are displayed. Tap on Bitcoin for this example. This brings you to the Bitcoin home screen inside your PayPal account, and if you scroll just slightly, you'll see the Send option with the little paper plane icon. Tap on that. Here, PayPal will show you a list of names you can send to, but if you're sending to an external wallet, you'll want to use the field at the top to paste the Bitcoin wallet address. Once you choose the contact or paste the address you want to transfer to, PayPal will bring you to the next screen where you can enter how much Bitcoin you want to transfer. You can manually enter an amount, or you can tap Send All if you want to move your full balance. For this example, we'll just enter a small amount and tap Next. PayPal will then run a quick security check, which might be a text verification or two-factor authentication, depending on your settings. Once you verify your account, PayPal will show you a confirmation screen with all the details, including who you're sending to, the exact amount, and any fees. When everything looks good, tap Send Now, and your Bitcoin transfer will begin. And that's how to transfer Bitcoin using PayPal.